You have $2,000 in a safe, and you keep it there for 7 years. If the average annual rate of inflation is 3% over that time, what will the value of that money be in 7 years in today's dollars? So this is a present value question. You want to find out in today's dollars what that amount of money will be in 7 years. And I know it's kind of a weird idea that you're talking about money in 7 years and you're talking about present value, but the key is present value is in today's dollars. Okay, now there's a formula for that. Write down the formula, then explain it. Okay, so the present value is going to be the principal, or the amount that you start with, and then you have in parentheses 1 minus A, which is the inflation rate, over 1 plus A, and then T is the time in years. So let's work this out and see how it goes here. So the P is going to be 2,000. The A is 3%, or 0.03. I like to convert to decimals right away, that way I don't get confused with the percents as I'm trying to figure out this complicated formula. And then the time T is 7 years. So it's going to be 2,000 times 1 minus 0.03, or 0.03, over 1.03 to the 7th power. So now we can go to the calculator. I'm going to figure this part out inside the parentheses first. So it's going to be 1 minus, then I'm going to use parentheses, 0.03 divided by 1.03, and then close parentheses. So that means that the calculator is going to do this division first and then subtract. Okay, so that's the 0.9708. That's the part inside the parentheses. Now it's 7 years, so I'm going to raise that to the 7th power. So all I had to do is put exponent 7, and the calculator put answer, which is this previous part up here. So 0.81309. And then that times the $2,000. There you go, 1626. That is your A. Okay, so that means that in 7 years, that $2,000 will really only have the spending power of $1,626 does today. So you can see that the money is worth less over time. Let's review process. Started off with a present value formula, substituted in, and then worked from the inside out. I did this parentheses part first on the calculator, raised it to the 7th power, then multiplied by 2,000, just following the order of operations, and got $1,626.